Okay, guys, what's up? Neff here. Now, this is a really quick tutorial to fix the problem with OBS if only your left ear or your left channel is working. Now, I usually encounter this problem if I unplug all the devices or everything connected to my USB ports and plug them back. I don't understand why it keeps happening to me. I even tried reinstalling the drivers for my audio interface and all that stuff. We reboot my computer, it didn't actually work. And all you have to do is actually just go to your OBS. I'm assuming you're using OBS. If you're using something else, I don't know how to fix it, I apologize. But for OBS, solely OBS, I'm doing display capture, that's why you see it like this. Number one, you have to go to your settings first. Go to your audio. Make sure whatever it is, your audio device or your mic, it's gonna show up here. Because what happened to me was showing disabled or default. It didn't even have this. That's why I had to reinstall the driver. Now it's showing here. Then you can also go here. Then properties. Exactly the same. Once they're both showing there, all you have to do to get both channels or both your left and right headphones or both left and right speakers to work is go here and just check this box. This ones you don't really need these, but for me I'm just leaving them all default. I only have the Behringer UMC. I'm using UMC 22. It's on the description if you want to see it. But that's it. Now if I turn this one off, I'm guessing it's only going to turn or start, the recording is only going to be on the left ear or left channel. So I'm testing this out. I'll only know if this works if I start listening to this recording. But I'm gonna put this back, check it back, close. Now as an example, I'm gonna move this. I have two monitors. Just an example. This here. This is the recording that I'm doing right now. This is an example. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a recording with only the left ear for the headphones or the left speaker only working, or it's more known as only the left channel. Thank you. So if you search about this problem, it will say left channel not working or mic not working. This one though, testing 1, 2, 3. Now this is a recording of both channels or both your left and right ear headphones or the left and right speakers working. Thank you. There you go. So again, gonna repeat, gonna minimize that shit, go back here. If this happens to you, make sure you go to advanced properties, make sure this is checked. So I noticed this also, you have two bars here below. This is the left channel, right channel, left ear, right ear. If you uncheck it, only one of them will work. You can see the other one, there's no green bar, it doesn't show like it's working. I just noticed that before I did this video. So put this again. There you go. You can hear both now. So like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll just see you in the next video. Again, I don't do that many tutorials. I'm not that good, or I'm not that technical, but I hope this helps someone who's having the exact same problem. So yeah, thank you.